Best practice on the water. From the water sport hotspot Fehmarn, we report on the successful product development of Novoplast Schlauchtechnik in collaboration with CORE Kiteboarding GmbH. This highly demanding project was realized through the collaboration of Nils Mitzlaff, Head of Development at Novoplast Schlauchtechnik, and Dr. Yannick Entringer, Product Designer at CORE. Discover the background and learn why high-quality hoses are indispensable in kitesurfing to withstand the challenges of wind, sand, and water. How exactly did your collaboration with Novoplast Schlauchtechnik come about?
We became aware of the company Novoplast because we were looking for a German company that not only brings the technical know-how, but also has the ability to specifically address our special requirements. Novoplast Schlauchtechnik has thus proven to be the ideal partner and can meet our requirements in developing custom high-tech hose solutions, as well as provide the simple coordination processes and effective communication we need for such a project.
What significance do plastic hoses have for your construction?
Hoses play a very essential role in our water sports products. When thinking of kites, one doesn't initially think of plastic hoses, yet we process about 50,000 meters of them per year. The hoses from Novoplast are a key component in our products. For example, they convert a safety line and protect it from abrasion, as well as protect the athlete's hands from injury. Due to the high stress these products are subjected to, they require hose technology. With the highest demands such as extreme flexibility, high lightness, abrasion resistance, and weather resistance.
What processes led to the final customer solution?
Our development process and also our engineering service are very practice-oriented. We work closely with CORE here to ensure that our hoses meet the customer's requirements. This means, in particular, that we have not only tested in the laboratory but also tested our products under real conditions on the beach and on the water. You could say it's important to us to tailor our solutions directly to the needs of the customers, and that's why we keep our development process dynamic and flexible.
How do you assess the product quality of Novoplast?
We are extremely satisfied with the product quality. The hoses from Novoplast Schlauchtechnik have proven to be reliable and durable, which is a significant added value for the customer. The components are subjected to extreme stresses all over the world. For example, they must withstand the weather and conditions on 5 different continents. For example, the salt content and sand composition on a Brazilian beach are different from those in Indonesia, Chile, or Fehmarn.
How significant is the topic of sustainability for this project?
On one hand, we all value high-quality materials and easy, close project coordination. On the other hand, as a producer of water sports articles that are used exclusively in nature, we naturally focus on the topic of sustainability. This plays a central role in our choice of suppliers.
So for us at Masterflex Group, sustainability has now become a strategic pillar. And in this project, it was very important for both project partners to consider the topic of sustainability. Especially with our hoses and water sports equipment, contact with salt water is not a trivial issue. Therefore, we have really focused on durability in the selection of our components.
What relevance does such a successful project have for Novoplast?
For us, the collaboration with CORE Kiteboarding is another example of how the Masterflex Group can generally act as a development partner and is already perceived as a solution provider, especially in the field of plastic hose solutions in the market. And yes, we are simply proud to continuously develop our technologies and thus be able to meet the various needs of our customers. This was also the case here with CORE Kiteboarding, and we simply hope that this solution will now bring a lot of joy at watersport in hotspots like Fehmarn.